Carglass Slovenia, a division under the Belron Group, is synonymous with innovation and pushing technological boundaries to enhance the customer experience. A critical step in their vehicle glass inspection process involves registering the vehicle into the Carglass customer portal. Anyline's VIN and license plate reading solutions represent a pioneering leap for Belron and Carglass Slovenia. Seamlessly integrating into their existing data collection system, this innovative solution simplifies the registration process and amplifies overall repair efficiency. Now, both customers and workers can easily leverage this feature with just a simple mobile phone. Customers of Carglass Slovenia can effortlessly scan their VIN or license plate through the online booking portal, streamlining the booking process and simplifying back-end work for employees managing bookings. During the repair process, workers experience heightened efficiency as they seamlessly scan the license plate or VIN during vehicle check-in when customers arrive at the garage. Here's what Dejan Sharuga, the general manager of Carglass Slovenia, underscores the significance of this milestone, stating, "For Carglass Slovenia, this is an important achievement, as we are the first in the Belron Group and in Slovenia to introduce AMPR technology to the online reservation system. This aligns with our commitment to continually seek innovative ways to enhance our services and our customers' experience. We take pride in having set a new standard in the industry."